Welcome back. Today we're going to go over some data entry forms. If your office is like most of them, you're going to realize that most of your day is probably spent on data entry when it really doesn't have to be. You're clicking here, clicking there. It's a tedious task. This is going to show you how to make it a lot faster. So we move into this and we have our standard data entry form. But let's say if we're going to enter one here, we would go with Mark. We type in his birthday, whatever. And then we go to the next one, and what's his job title? Clown. And then, is he funny? No, because he's a bad clown. But if we wanted to make that a little simpler, all we do is we click anywhere in here, we make this into a table. So we're in the data somewhere, doesn't matter where. Insert, table. Table has headers, yes, because these would be the headers. And as long as that's checked, and the circles all around it, okay, it's a table. We can click anywhere. And now we just go quick access toolbar, hit this little button right here, and more commands. We change this to commands not in ribbon, and we scroll down until we see form. It's in the F's, it's all alphabetical, right here. I have it in already, but when you want to add it for the first time, you'll just click on form, add, okay, problem solved. Then you're going to have it right here. You click anywhere in the data again, click there, and we have our stuff. So we can cycle through everything here. Next, we should see Carlos. Yep, he was born January 1st, 1969. He is a crew leader. And is he funny? Absolutely not. Next, Nikki. 7/28, 1988. Management assistant. Funny? Yes. Paul. 3/14, 2002. Supervisor? Yes. So you see it's just cycling through all of this stuff here. Basically, it's giving you an oversight of the data, and now let's say you need to do something new. That's what this really shows up for. So you click New, and let's say we have a new hire, Joan Rivers. Birthday, let's see, December 31st, 1899. Job function, host. Funny or not? Somewhat. And then, there you go. You've got New, and what do you know? It popped right in there. So we have all our info. It was typed in just right here, so we don't have to click over here, we don't have to go down here, we don't have to fool around with hitting tab, all that good stuff, enter. In this, all you do is name, let's say, Joe W. House, birthday, 1/3, 1980, job function, or 08 I should say. Still limited to human error, but a lot faster. Job function, say S keeper. Funny or not? No. Asshole. I mean, what? No. Let's just say no. And then you go new, and what do you know? There he is. So we can do all that stuff. And let's say we wanted to find everyone who's not funny. We just wanted to search right in here. Because you see we can cycle through if we use this file, or find previous, find next. We have 10 people, 3, 4, 5, and so on. We go criteria. All right, who's not funny? No. And we find next. Okay, Raul, Mark, Joe. And if we go all the way up to the top, what do you know? Carlos is right at the top of the unfunny people. But that's it. That's a data entry form, and if you need to close it out, just hit that. And if you want to open the spreadsheet again, go right back to it, hit that button, problem solved. You can do your data entry super quickly, super easily, and it eliminates a lot of potential for error. All right, thanks. See you next time.